So here in this video we have taken a egg tray and cutting it out in this way and shape it up, coloring it up with the yellow color and making a line with black marker. So any guesses what it is? Yeah, it's a honeybee. Making a leafy wing and it's ready. In the next again we are using the same thing and coloring it up with the black. Now here we are going to make the penguin and it's ready. In the next we are using this sheet and making a circle, cutting it up. Now using this double tape, apply it on the both side, making more like that and pasting all together. And after this done, you will get a flower is ready. And now here we are taking this stem, knotting it up with the thread so it shapes like an umbrella. Now taking another sheet, making the cloud and applied it on the string. It's ready. In the next we are using the yellow strip, pasting it up, applied a double tape using this pink sheet, making a cut on the downward side, making more like that. Now using this yellow sheet and wrapping it up with this green stick in this way, and now again rolling the pink sheet around it. Now curling it up with the help of pencil. A flower is ready. In the next we are using here a thermocol glass to make a wristwatch. So what you just need to do, cutting out the base part of the glass and using the wrist part of the glass to make the needle of the watch. In this way, as you can see, just fix it up, put the numbers, making the design on it in this way, and it's ready. In the next we are using here a green sheet in this way, using the circular green sheet to make a tree, and now putting some colorful sheets, small sheets over the tree, so it will look like this. A smiley tree is ready. In the next we are using here the green sheet to make the leaf and this bubble plastic, coloring it up to make a different color of pineapple in this way. It's ready. In the next again we are using this egg tray, cutting it up, coloring it with light blue color, making like that, drawing it up, cut it out, taking another sheet to make the hair of the girl, taking the sheet in this way and inserting the whole thing into the thread, putting the girl. It's ready. In the next again we are using the egg tray, now cutting it up and coloring it up with the red, putting the black on it. Now using the sheet to make the wings. So any guesses what it is? It's a bug. After this done, we are putting its eyes and it's almost ready. In the next we are using the red leaf, a real leaf, applied it over the white sheet, taking another sheet to make a circle. So just we are cutting it up, putting more leaf like that. So here we are going to make a lobster. So now it's time to make its hand, eyes on its face, and it's done. In the next we are using the egg tray and cutting it up, coloring it with making a cut in between, putting this green sheet in between the cut, making the design, cut it out, making the face. A baby dragon is ready. In the next we are using the bottle, making a cut in between in this way. Now using the balloon and blowing it up so you will get this thing, and now making its face, putting the crown on its head. A smiley frog is ready. So I hope you like the video. Thank you for watching.